Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in here I have some grinding discs, and these ones here are going to be like for ceramic and everything else. So they're going to be some heavy duty discs, and indeed they are. Okay, this is it here. A very strong one. It says cutting and grinding for deck ton. So that is it there. It'll go onto my grinder here. Let's see. Can't remember how this one works. Oh, this one here, I got like that. I guess it's going to go in there somehow. Oh, this is the multi-tool. That's not a grinder. Where's my grinder? Here's my grinder. I was going to put it on the wrong tool. That would be ridiculous. I'm like, why does that not look right? Everything's the same color. Okay, so here we go. Just stick it on there and screw on the cap here. Has a certain way it goes here on these Makitas. Okay, and there we go. Now we have this heck of a grinding disc on my wall. Oh, and that, look at that, when it's going, it's nice. You can see through it. Where they put those holes in there, you can see through it too. So this should be able to cut through anything.